Hello everyone, myself Antari from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to continue with chapter 2 biological classification, page number 11. In the very beginning of the chapter, you will see a chart showing 5 kingdom classification system and their characteristics, that is cell wall, cell type, nuclear membrane, body organization and mode of nutrition. You have to be very clear about this chart because each of these points contains a potential MCQ. Specifically, the cell wall and mode of nutrition has been asked many times, and other questions can also be raised from this chart. In my opinion, R.H. Whitaker, who has proposed the 5 kingdom classification system, is also a potential MCQ. And the main criteria for this classification system has been asked in MCQ many times, that is cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction and phylogenetic relationship. You have to be very careful here. Phylogenetic relationship is given, but in this chart phylogenetic relationship is not mentioned. But if the characteristics are asked, you have to be very clear that phylogenetic relationship is mentioned in NCERT. Now another probable MCQ from this page is Monera. It's 6 kingdom classification system, that is Monera divided into 2 domains and living eukaryotic organisms in the 3rd domain. So a 6 kingdom classification, it is a potential MCQ question, and do not ignore this paragraph. In my opinion, another important MCQ can be from this paragraph, that is in earlier classification system, which organisms were placed in a same category, and now those organisms belongs to which category. This is a potential MCQ. Another potential MCQ is the Chlamydomonas spiragyra were placed under algae in previous classification. That classification did not differentiate between heterotrophic group fungi and autotrophic green plants. The MCQ, the pattern of MCQ can be like which one is the heterotrophic group and which one is the autotrophic group. And one more very important MCQ which you will get in successive chapters, like fungi had chitin in their cell wall in the next page, that is page number 12, and green plants has cellulosic cell wall. Now continuing in page number 12, another very potential MCQ can be arise from all prokaryotic organisms were placed under kingdom Monera, and the unicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in kingdom Protista. Now unicellular eukaryotic organism, you have to give very importance in this term, as you can get confused in examination. That is unicellular eukaryotic organisms are in Protista. Now another MCQ can be kingdom Protista has brought together Chlamydomonas and Chlorella, which were earlier placed in algae. This is also an MCQ. And now both with Paramecium and Amoeba, which were earlier placed in kingdom Animalia, that is animal kingdom. This is also an MCQ. You have to be very clear about this line, and it is a very important line. Now another probable MCQ in my opinion from this page is that the classification system has evolved with time, that is morphological, physiological, reproductive similarities, but also phylogenetic, and it is based on evolutionary relationship. This MCQ I have pointed out in previous pages also. This is also given in this page. Now coming up is kingdom Monera. That is the very first MCQ can be bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. Don't get confused if they write virus or something like that in options. Bacteria is only the sole member of kingdom Monera. And I have seen this MCQ, which is quite easy, but many people used to miss this MCQ, that 100 of bacteria are present in handful of soil. In option they will give hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, and the correct answer is hundreds. It has been asked many times, and this is a very easy MCQ, and you cannot afford to miss this MCQ. Now another probable MCQ from this page, and which has been asked many times, and you have to give importance to this MCQ, that is the type of bacteria, that is spiral coccus, rod-shaped bacillus, comma-shaped fibram, and spiral spirillum. They may ask you in column A, column B, and arrange them, or they may they may give you a image based question, so you have to be very clear about these two things. Thank you.